Now that we've added the header and footer files to our index.php file, let's do it across all of the other pages. So I'm going to go back to our examples folder, and here in our steps folder, we have this done for us already for about, contact, and products here. So what I'm going to do is take each one of these and copy them over the about, contact, and products files here. So I'll begin with the fourth step here, about.php. I'll open that up, and then I'll open up about.php, and I'll copy the code from our step file and paste it over the code in the about.php file and save it. Notice how much smaller it got. Okay, and then let's go ahead and do the fifth step here, which is contact.php. And I'll open up contact down here. Again, I'm going to copy the code and paste it over the contact.php file and save it. And now back to the examples folder. We'll open up the last one, products.php, and then products.php in the main folder. And we'll copy the code from our step file over the code in the products.php file and save it. So, okay, we have our about file here. We have our contact file here, and then our products file here. Now let's demo this in the browser just to make sure everything's working properly. So I'm going to go ahead and click on products here. That will take us to our products.php page. And if we scroll down, everything looks good here. We're seeing our title being pulled into the browser title, as well as our h1 tag here. I'm going to click about, and about looks good. We have the same title being used for the browser and the title here. Everything else looks the same. And in contact, everything looks good too. Now in terms of repetition, we just did a whole lot to improve our site. Our code is less than half of what it used to be, and if we want to, for example, add a new menu item, we can do it in one place and it will cascade throughout the entire site.